Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can allow Flash in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, I'll just delete this. Go to right up corner and then just go to settings. And here you want to simply go on site settings. And here you're gonna see Flash. And what you want to do is just click on it and then you just click on allow. And voila, you got it. So again, you are in the settings, go to privacy and security, site settings, and just allow Flash. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.